Ever feel like you're drowning in boring reports and waiting forever for the right data? Or do you just wish to have all your data right at your fingertips? Meet Global Data 365. We are not a typical BI company, but your best buddies in the world of smart thinking, number crunching, and making plans. We have got reporting tools that bend to your needs, analytics that work super fast, and budgeting solutions that just help you stay on track. And guess what? It's all made for Microsoft Dynamics ERPs. Transform your data processes with our comprehensive solutions to enhance your data analytics. Streamline your reporting processes by automating Excel reports with Jet Reports, or ensure a robust solution for maintaining data quality through data governance and consolidations with Jet Analytics. And visualize powerful insights seamlessly through custom dashboards and reports in Power BI. The best part? You get to spend more time making smart decisions and without stressing over your boring reporting tasks. With over 8 years of experience and delivering more than 100 successful projects, we are ready to take a new challenge with you. Our experts listen to what you need and make sure our solutions fit perfectly. Start your journey to better reporting and unlock the true power of your data. Visit us at www.globaldata365.com and get in touch today.